I'm not sure what happened. I had to repair my mic. Did I change cameras? Did I hit something wrong? I don't know. I'm heading on out. I'm on the e-bike. I'm going to go to the stores. I'm going to go see if I can see some things. I have these two stems. One's adjustable, one's an extension. I don't love them because it's a little loose. And yeah, got to be a little careful. I got to pedal because my throttle's on my right side and my hand is in the right of the camera. And yeah, I can't get that cruise control to go on the hybrid. Finally, I'm cruising. No, I'm not. Pedaling I am. Look at the size of this place. Woo, I'm pedaling now. I just can't get the hang of it. But I'm gonna put you away. When I'm getting ready to get in there, I'll show you. That's not a Santa Claus. So I'm sitting in a Honda HR-V and I'm in the mechanical seat that doesn't go up 100%. It pumps up and forward, doesn't give me any room like I'm sitting in a CRV. It makes me feel like I'm sitting still close to the floor. The armrests are low. They don't sit high enough. They sit a little too low for my comfort to grab the wheel. The center armrest, if I swing around, it's kind of comfortable, but I can't grab the wheel. It doesn't slide forward. It's locked into place, and I lean towards the tip. I don't like coming to the places here because you can't walk and get to a car. Now I'm sitting in a Toyota Corolla Cross, and they say it resembles exactly a Corolla that I got. Now I'm sitting in it, pumped the seats all the way up. I'm pretty comfortable indeed. For the passenger, no. They never fixed the low seat for the passenger. But they did change over here, which is pretty good. I like this. Don't love it. The armrests don't shift forward. So I'm kind of at the tip. Let's go sit in the back, see what it feels like. Well, I stand 6 feet tall. Thing is, I cannot see out the front of the window. That's what blocks my view. All this, I like to see in the front out. So I lean over. I'm able to see out. Cross, living right in there if you look at the sun. Now, between the two cars, it's a tough choice. It's a choice you got to make. I had to go see the two cars, the HR-V and the Cross, and get it off my bucket list. I don't mind the two cars, just don't want to make a wrong decision if I had to get one. Which one would you get? Would you get the Cross or would you get the HRV? Well, they each got a little bit of a design that the other one don't have. I gotta go back. I didn't sit in the back of the HRV. That was my mistake. I'll tell you one thing. White wasn't white on the Toyota. It had silver. Now, did I see the white in the HRV? It didn't have silver. It was white. Well, I'm gonna put you away, camera. You did a good job capturing in super wide, ultra wide. I gotta get you off of that. Santa's coming to town. He sure is. Well, I am Fish, and I'll catch you on the next adventure with the bike, the car, and all.